Dad made this truck. It's a model truck. The bumper's still drying. My dad glued it, and I give him the parts. There's the engine. Let me just slowly.
Remember, the bumper's still drying.
Yeah, and then we don't have the backlights in. There's little stuff in the back.
Yeah.
Bumpers drawings. And you guys know what stickers we're going for? We're going for the Colorado license plates. We're going for the forward drive on the tailgate. And these stickers on the doors. And this on the snowplow.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't know if I'm gonna do this one.
4x4 GMC.
I might do the GMC, but I don't know.
Oh, look at that! Those are cool. Those look like eyes.
Yeah, they're going on those Android.
Hood.
Yeah, no, not the hood, on the snowplow, right there.
Oh, so like this was the picture of the truck on the box.
Yeah. But we made it a little different.
Yeah, we made it black.
Yeah, black. And I think that's the metal version.
Yeah.
It looks metal to me. You want to see the bottom?
Yeah, kind of tip it. Remember, the bumper's wet.
See?
Oh yeah, it looks so realistic.
No. Oh, the hood's right here. Why not put that on? So a GMC. Pick up snowplow.
Cool.
Boom,
It
boom.
comes with the, show them the snowplow.
Here's the snowplow. We're gonna put the angry eyes on it.
Oh, okay.
And you see this little.
And it's got a light bar that you may or may not want right up there.
Hey, you see this little thing, this sticker right here? Why not put on might put on the rear bumper that's drawing still.
Right, and we could probably paint the grill black with a fine brush. Like these openings are painted black on the picture.
That's the metal version, so.
Yeah.
But I think it looks good with chrome. There's some stuff in the back, like there's a shuffle that came with it. We just had it laying around up there. A little spare tire that we made, and it came with same as this little thing. See this little gas tank? Look. And there's some valve. I forgot what these are called. What are they?
Valve covers.
Valve covers, and you can take the chrome or the
Painted ones.
yeah that you can paint.
We painted those.
Yeah, you have to paint it with plastic, whatever. Oddly, you got metal. Yeah, metal paint. Yeah.
All right, good job, Joe.
Bye.